Dear students, today we will discuss about geometrical tolerance. You know very well, every job to make, they will give the size variation. That is easy to make. This is chapter is geometrical tolerance. So how they will give the geometrical tolerance, what is the purpose and what is the shape given for that, so how they will decide that into groups, this we are going to discuss. Already we discussed yesterday about the drawing, the terms used. Now geometrical tolerancing. What is the geometrical tolerancing? Geometrical tolerancing is the maximum permissible overall variation. Keep that one in the mind. Once again I am telling you, geometrical tolerancing is the maximum permissible overall variation. M P O V. If you keep these four letters in your mind, you can write the answer for that. Maximum permissible overall variation. Then why this overall variation given for the component? What is the needful? Why the reason? What is the reason for that behind? So if the limits, that means maximum permissible variation, that is the limit. When the limit is not given, it is a very difficult to make the component. That's why whenever we are using that maximum permissible variation, it is easy to make. Reason is easy to make the component by the operator. The geometrical tolerancing is given, geometrical tolerance is given to make the component easily, number one point. The second one is to maintain the international standards. That means there is a interchangeability for each component. Then only they will accept. That means the variation is given, within that variation if you produce the component, anywhere it will be accepted, not only India, internationally accepted. For that purpose, this geometrical tolerance we are using to make the component. International standard means what is that? Interchangeability. Interchangeability means when you are fixing the parts together, that means male and female component you are fitting, that precisely it will fit, not too loose, not too tight. Whatever the persons, whatever the companies they need, that is the precise will get by maintaining this geometrical tolerance. So you know very well, there are so many types of tolerances. That means geometrical tolerance symbols are given. Then the variation also will be given depend upon the component where we are using that. For that purpose this geometrical tolerance is given. Then next, this geometrical tolerance, how they will give, they consist of the frame. That means one frame is here, you see there is a frame. That means one block like. In that what is given? The symbol is given, the variation is given, the surfaces are given where you are going to maintain. So these tolerances made into three groups. One is the form, how you are going to do. Second one is the altitude, attitude. The third one is the location. Then now we are going to discuss about one by one, each one. Each one we will discuss. You first listen the variation, then after that you can decide that what will be there. So whenever you are going to do, when you are going to see, this is given here, there are two lines, the symbol that is given parallel. When two lines are given, that become parallel. Then the variation is given 0.05. How it will be 0.05? Then this parallelity is there. Whenever you are doing machining, some variations will be there. Sometimes you are all produced the component. Sometimes taper will be formed. Sometimes up and down will be formed. Curvatures will be formed because of the machine slackness. Something is there. These are all indications given. That's why they gave this geometrical tolerance. So this tolerance is given, this parallelity is given here, one line, baseline, or we can call it as a datum line. When the symbol is given, this is a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? Is equilateral triangle. This equilateral triangle, the symbol is given, then this maximum height is 4.5, not more than that. Whenever you are drawing, whenever you are showing the geometrical tolerance, there will be the leader line here one and leader line here one. There are two leader lines beside the blocks. That also important. Then that leader line, whatever the angle is given here, exactly 90 degree, that shows to the surface. Leader indicates that guides. Leader shows the way. That's why the leader line name is given. So whenever you are seeing this dimension, whenever you are drawing these symbols and dimensions, be careful while giving the block, frame, everything. The block is given, frame is given, the symbol is given, the variation is given, the triangle is, whenever the datum surface you are taking that surface as a reference, that we can call it as a datum surface. We are taking that surface as a reference and doing the component. So that means this bottom surface you are taking as a datum and maintaining the top surface. So that is called drawing. That whenever you see this is a parallel symbol, only two lines cross are given. Okay. Then we are going into second one. You see there is a flatness symbol. Flatness symbol is given only parallelogram type model block. So this flatness symbol. Parallel symbol only two lines. Keep that one in the mind. Parallel. So this surface parallel to this surface only 0.05. This flatness is given. No other reference surface. Flatness only one surface. So why this flatness? How they will measure the flatness? You know very well. In case of direction of lay. Direction of lay means what? You have seen the tool marks. That tool marks. Is it coming sound? ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నాను మెసేజ్ పెట్టరా పిల్లలకి పవర్ ఇస్ డన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ వెయిట్ దిస్ సింబల్ ఇస్ గివన్ flat symbol, flatness symbol. Flatness means surface. The tool marks up and downs will be there. That tool marks thickness will be. That tool marks thickness, this is like this. That tool marks will be like this. That tool marks will be like this, up and down. this thickness will be 0.02. The symbol is given 0.02 is the variation. Then next one, we are going into the other method how they are showing these parallel symbols. For example, the datum base is given here, the triangle is given, already I explained this is equilateral triangle, A is marked. Then here dimension is marked, here dimension some 25.04 minus side. Then for that 25.0 side the A is given parallel symbol, then variation of dimension, then datum base A is given. When A is given, this surface is parallel to this surface. So like that you have to understand. Then now we are going into straightness. Straightness means only the straight line is given. That indicates the straightness. So how the straightness? Then the job is given like this. Straightness is the straight. Job is not straight. So one diameter is like this, other diameter will be like this. The problem you have to face. So the bend will not be there. Then only that becomes straight. This straightness also very important. Whenever you are turning the job, be careful that straightness is very important. Sometimes your turning job is loose, the variations will be there. So you have to maintain the straightness on a total surface. Here is given, he is showing the straightness to the axis. Axis he is showing. Then here is the straightness showing to the diameter. That's why the diameter is mentioned here. Keep that one in the mind. Sometimes they will show on the diameter, they will show on the axis. When the axis is straight, that one also will be straight. So that is the straightness symbol. Then we are going into the other one is circularity. Circularity or roundness. Roundness also we can call it. Then this roundness symbol is given only round. Roundness symbol is given only round. The variation is given 0.02. This is showing on the cylinder. This is cylinder. Think that that is a cylinder because side view is given. On this cylinder circularity, how they are going to check roundness? This will be 0.02. That means up and downs will be within 0.02 on the circle. Then same way we are going to discuss about this one. This symbol you see only circle. This symbol you see, what is the name of this one? Cylindricity. What is the name of that one? Cylindricity. This cylindricity is given how they are going to check the cylindricity. Cylinder means not going to check at one point. So roundness you can check at one point. Cylindricity you cannot check at one point. You have to check. You check the die here and move entire surface of the cylinder. That's why the name is given cylindricity. This cylindricity variations will be given here up and down. The normal these are all. So this is given cylindricity. The side view is given here. The cylindricity also, two circles you will get, one circle like this and another circle also like this. Then next one we are going continuously. So here is given, this is a sphere surface. This sphere surface we are going to check. That surface, when you are checking that one, theoretical surface we can call it as that symbol is given a curvature like this and there is a bottom one rectangle. Okay. So when you see this one, the symbol is given half circle here, half circle. So when half circle is given, ball half, ball half of it will be sphere, ball half. That means a hemisphere we can call it as. Hemisphere symbol is given this is used for checking the theoretical surface of curvature. So that symbol is given and geometrical tolerance is given 0.05. Then here only the curvature, you are doing filing, you are marking the job, you are making the triangular shape curvature, that is a profile. So this also profile only, this is the profile. This profile, how you are going to check? You are making the points here, this point and this point, and doing that radius by taking the compass and making the radius here. For checking this one, there is a profile given like this, half circle, not half sphere. Give that one in the mind. So this circle comes only surface curvatures. This circle comes the total surface. That means ball volume will be there. Here only curved area. So this wall thickness of this one is the 0.2 is given. This cylindrical diameter throughout this one 0.2 variation must be there. More than that we cannot. That means job is not accepted. So these are the symbols. What we discussed? Parallel, then flatness, here also parallel, straightness, then roundness or circularity, then cylindricity, then profile, surface and profile. That means we can see that line surface and this surface. Then next one we are going up to here. Then the link arm is given. So whenever we wanted to get the movement like this, the arms are used. This arm symbol is given. Here diameter, here also diameter. The holes also will be applicable for this. Here parallel is given. The datum surface is taking from here, datum as a reference surface, and this is 0.08 is given. This also parallelity surface. Now we are going to discuss about this perpendicular. So the hole is vertically put here and horizontal one more hole is there. So that hole and this hole perfectly should be 90 degree, not an angle. Sometimes we can drill at an angle whenever we need. So that means magic luts. That means magic luts, they will make at an angle for more hole. So when he is doing magic, that lut will stay there. Then you pull the rope. Like that, angularity will be there. This is a perpendicularity, 100% 90 degree. Then the symbol is given. This whole center line is taken. Here is given one triangle, that is the base is taking as a that means datum. For this datum, this line and center line also will be applicable. Perpendicular line, perpendicular symbol 0.05 is the variation, and to the datum surface. This one to the datum surface, and to maintain that 0.05 variation. 15. Then now you are going to see this one. There is angularity. Angle is given. Yesterday we discussed what is a taper. Taper is gradual decrease. This angle is given. So when the angle surface, not only here in the cylinder, on the cylinder they cut at an angle, on the flat they cut an angle, on the ball they cut an angle, wherever it may be, the angularity surface will be given. The symbol is given like this, is showing acute angle. Okay, this angle is given. The reference surface you see here, there is a triangle here. The bottom, the reference surface we are taking this as a datum and maintaining the leader line here and leader line. In that one frame is there, angularity 0. This angularity also will be checked like this angle and these variations will be there. To check that one, the variations. Within that, what is the variation range? 0.05. This thickness is 0.05. Then we are going into next one, position. So how that position will be given? Wherever layout, in the layout work you are doing, from this side you are marking, from that side you are marking, that position symbol is given, circle like this, where the point will come. If you see this one, from here to 20 and from here to 20, this position also, how it will be? 0.05 variation, not more than that. So where there is a requirement, very important accuracy of the hole, then when the plate is taken out, if you put another plate, it should set. Otherwise, if it is not setting, means your job is not in the geometrical tolerance, that why your job is rejected. So to accept your job, you must maintain the tolerance, geometrical tolerance. The next one we are coming here, there is a concentricity. You see, this is a concentricity. In case of straightness, bend will be there. In case of concentricity, this diameter must be concentric to this diameter. Whenever you are turning the job in the Fourier check, sometimes you turned, one side is more, one side is less. One side is not cutting, one side is cutting more. You observed that. So that is not concentricity. When the concentricity is given, that diameters both will be in one axis. If the axis is changed little bit, we cannot tell that is a concentricity. That concentricity symbol is given, one is up and one is down. This is that side and this is this side down, that we can call it as eccentricity. So whenever you are doing that, that is the concentricity symbol. Then now we are going into both sides, the step is given this side and this side. Then lines are given here, you observe this, whatever the gap from here to here, gap from here to here, whatever the depth from here to here and depth from here to here, when that is like this symmetry. The hole also given, in this hole, in this slot only, that is given. For this hole, these two slots exactly in the center, that is given. A one side is given and B one side is given. The symbol, symmetry symbol, one center line is more length and top is less and bottom is less. 0.1 is the variation of geometrical tolerance, and A and B are given, that are the datum surfaces to the hole. So like this, whatever the symbol is given. Then the last one, this is the last one. There are another two. Then one is run out and second one is total run out. The symbol chart you have, in this symbol chart, circular and total run out. Run out and total run out we can tell. Circular means, already we discussed in case of circular, that is run out means the dial is not jumping. We can call it as that is concentric. Then when total run out, how you are going to check total run out? The symbol is given, run out symbol, that is given like this. I will show you here. You see the line is given like this. Then there are two lines are given like this. If that is in your book, if you see, the chart is there. Whenever these are given, this is the run out, this is total run out. Total run out means you are checking the diameters, you are checking the steps, so you are moving the dial on the cylindrical surface from one end to other end on the spiral way. So wherever that is, the total means totally run out is not there. So these are the surface symbols that is given here. This is the chart already you have in the book. You maintain that. All the symbols I explained. Surface explained, line explained, all explained. So be careful. That is the remaining part is yours. That is not mine. I explained everything. All the figures I explained. Some more details are there. Sir, you said that circularity. What about taper piece? Taper piece also same. If the taper piece circularity, that means roundness is not there. So that will not be seated in the sleeve. When it is not sitting in the sleeve, that will not be fit. The taper piece also will come in case of roundness, circular. Then next one, not only the taper piece, sometimes the ball sphere also, sphere surface also will be checked the same way. Sphere as well as this cylinder as well as cone. Three will be checked roundness for same, all the pieces. So if you have any doubt, you can raise. So I am asking you question, what is the geometrical tolerancing? Geometrical tolerancing is the maximum permissible overall variation which is given on the job. So that is given. Why that is given? To maintain the component easily. The reason for the geometrical tolerance, a principle of geometrical tolerance means how they given in the drawing. So the block is given, in that block the symbol is given, the variation is given, the datum surface letter is given. So when AA detail, BB detail, CC detail, that is all you can see in the blueprint drawing which you are, some of the machinist boys are doing grinding. If they observe in the drawing, wheel branch drawing, then you can see the section AA, BB details, then slot details, everything will be there. So unless you see the drawing, you cannot find out all these surface, these symbols, geometrical symbols. Okay, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Right, what is the time? 6 minutes. ఇక సాలరా సాల్ ఎక్కువ చెప్తే బాగోలేదమ్మా. ఇది ఆఫ్ చేసి పెట్టు. అరే స్నాప్షాట్ ఒకటి తీసుకో.